Hi everyone, I am Tejasvi Kattimani, Placement Officer, GM Institute of Technology, Davangere. I am very proud to say that this academic year, many of the reputed companies had visited our institute and recruited our students. Our major recruiters are TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Cognizant, SLK, Bosch, Byju's, and many more. Our college GMIT is having 65 MOUs with major industries for providing placements, industrial visits, and internships for our students. So, because of these many activities, so recently we got gold rating from AICTE and CII, and I am very happy to say that MBA department and biotechnology department, both the departments have got 100% placement this year.
Greetings to all. Hope everyone is safe and doing well. We at GM Institute of Technology believes the placement is in a process but not as an event. Due to this, the Training and Placement Division of this institution practices these placement activities from the first year itself. The Training and Placement Division, in consultation with corporate, identifies the needs of organization. Accordingly, plans several activities in a structured way with the help of in-house facility as well as the external facilities available. Even our institution believes the success mantra of our institution is innovation and established several centers in the campus. Our students are allowed to participate, work in these centers to achieve excellence in their domains.
I'm Prasanna Gaonkar. Currently, I'm pursuing in 8th semester mechanical engineering.
I am Shibu. I'm Uday RH.
I am Syed Mubarak.
I am Ranjit.
I'm Divya of 8th semester Computer Science and Engineering Department.
I am Oswal Mehul Jitendra.
I am Shweta.
I am Shazib Khan.
I am Sri Ganesh Jije.
I'm Sneha Nim, 8th semester Department of Biotechnology.
I'm Shweta Shirur.
My name is Shwetanjali Arpachite.
I am Sahana. I am Soni Gupta, 8th semester from Department of Electronics and Communication.
I am Sonala Raikar.
I am Shindabi Parakal.
I am Pratiksha Tiwari.
I am Sanjana Kulkarni from Department of Civil Engineering.
I am Meghana BH of 8th semester Department of Information Science and Engineering.
I am Rakshita.
I am Shailaja PK.
I am Ankita from Information Science and Engineering Department.
Placement training plays a major role in shaping up the career goals of a student. It is a dream of every engineering student to get placed in top organization.
Placement and Training Department of GMIT is a hub where our industrial skills are polished at its best. From providing 1 month full-time training course to helping students in hitting their target, the placement cell has given it all.
For few companies like TCS and Infosys, company-specific training was held, which helped us a lot. And also, apart from this, regular training classes
such as the placement training, which helped us improve our aptitude skills, build our personality, and also enhance our communication skills and soft skills.
And our college has provided us various facilities such as good infrastructure, good education, and library and laboratory facilities, Wi-Fi facility, and especially placement training,
which helped me very much in cracking the interview process.
The placement department had also organized for 2 days workshop on C programming for non-software students. GMIT as a whole has continuously encouraged its students in all its academic and non-academic activities for the overall development of the student.
GM Institute of Technology believed and taught me about one phrase, that is stop doubting yourself, work hard and make it happen. GM Institute of Technology is a safe, professional and friendly learning environment along with enabling the students to polish their skills and grow them professionally.
At the end, it all depends on us. But we have to be self-confident and we have to believe in ourselves.
I am so happy to say that I am a student of GMIT.
Finally, I would like to thank our principal, Dr. Y. Vijay Kumar sir, our TPO, Mr. Tejasvi Kattimani sir, and also the faculty of our department for encouraging me and boosting the confidence. Thank you.
At last, I am very thankful to our beloved principal, Dr. Y. Vijay Kumar sir, and our management representative, Shri Subhas sir, and our management for their constant support and cooperation in conducting these many activities at our department.
Due to this, we are proud to say that my institution, with respect to placement numbers, were much better compared to any other institution in this region. Today, this is possible due to since my management has identified and established several centers of excellences in the campus, where my students are participating freely and excelling in their domains. And also, we give a lot of importance to the internships, which is also making students to learn faster compared to the other students, due to which today students are excelling in their placement. Now, on this occasion, I wholeheartedly convey on behalf of my institution all the best to all my students to excel and be a part of tomorrow's corporate innovation. Thank you very much.
I congratulate all the placed candidates and all the best to all of you. Have a great career and a great future as well. Thank you.
Dear my students of GMIT Engineering College, we have achieved 222 around this year. We would like to improve this number by this semester end. Please cooperate and do the best from your side. And for this, I wish you best of luck.
All the best for placed students.